when the child starts to teeth, certain things are there which a parent needs to take care of. Number one is the child will experience something, right, when the child cutting teeth. So the number one thing that they might experience is they might drool more, or parent might feel the child is a little more irritable than what they would be otherwise. So then obviously soothing activities. So breastfeeding plays a very major role. A child would want to feed more often. So because of feeding, the activity itself is very soothing for the child. That would help. Or any chilled feeders basically help.
Okay.
Anything cold, anything chilled feels very soothing to the child. Basically, it just numbs the gum a bit. It reduces something known as inflammation. When I say inflammation, whenever teeth is cutting out of the gums around the tooth gets a little red. There are good BPA-free silicone teethers available in the market. They can either use that, and of course, they should sterilize it prior to the child using it, or they can use food teethers.
Okay.
So a child need not eat it, but they can just gnaw on it, chew on it, which can be like a stick of carrot. They can put it in the freezer, give it to the child. The child can bite on it. It will be very soothing for the gums of the child. Even if the child is not eating it, that's okay. I mean, your sterilizing goes out of the picture, right, when you're using a food teether.
Do they also experience fever or loose motions or irritable gut or something like that?
It can't be attributed to teething. They might be experiencing something else apart from teething. They will want to chew on everything.
Yeah.
If they are putting things in their mouth continuously, maybe that might upset their gums. So rather, parents should give them something like a sterilized thing. Can be either a food or a teether to put into their mouth so that they can soothe themselves.
Another tip that I remember one of the doctors gave me was like dipping the towel like in water and then freezing it.
Right.
Then giving it to the child so they can chew on the hard, cold basically.
Yes. It should be very soothing. Basically, it will reduce the inflammation around the teeth coming out, and it will be soothing. It will just help them to numb that area.